Hello and welcome. Have you ever found yourself working in many different tabs where you need to be able to see what is going on at the same time in each tab? Clicking back and forth between the tabs and maybe recording information or even to copy and paste something can be very time consuming and confusing. Well, like here, next year I want to have my kids watch this video in my class, my history class, on the secrets of the Parthenon. And while they are watching the video on the secrets of the Parthenon, I also want them in Canvas to be answering some questions about the video. That way, I make sure that they are listening and that they are getting the key information that is presented in the video. And in order to do that, I set Canvas up like a quiz, but it's more like a listening guide. So I'll call it a listening guide. And of course, I have to go to the video to watch the video, and then I have to go to the listening guide to create a question. And if you ever find yourself in a similar situation like this, just remember, there's an app for that. Let me show you how to find it. If we go to the internet, we go to Google Web Store. Once the Google Web Store search comes up, we go down and we click on this one here that says the extensions. I hope I clicked on the one that says extensions. No, I didn't. So I'm going to scroll down to the one that says extensions, and I'm going to click on that one. Once it comes up, I go up here to the search bar, and I type in tab resize. Remember, the app is tab resize. It's the very first one that pops up. It says tab resize. It's the blue square with the two arrows that are pointing to opposite sides of the square inside. What we do is we come over here to the right where it says add to Chrome. I click on add to Chrome. It says checking. I click on add extension. Puts it up here. I click on it. You read this beginning information. You click I understand. It gives you some shortcuts here. Let's go. And then it gives us 4 options. We got the 2x2, which allows us to have 4 screens open at once. Pretty cool, huh? And then the next one over here, we have a 2x1, which allows us to have 2 screens open at the same time, but of course they're horizontal. 1x2 allows us to have as well 2 screens up at once. However, these ones are vertical. And then the last option is a 1x1, which allows us just to have 1 screen open at once. For the purpose of my task today, I want to create this listening guide, so I only need the 2 tabs open at once. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the 1x2 option because I like it when my screens are up and down. So I click on that, and it puts 2 tabs open. I bring over the video. I have the video over here on the right. I have the listening guide on the left. I'm all ready to rock and roll, and I'll be all ready for next year. I hope you guys have as much fun with this app as I've had, and we'll see you later.